Hey guys, back again. Just another quick one, just showing what we have to do for preparation before we... Hang on Frank, just show them that before we fill it. Okay, for those that are not quite sure how to do this sort of stuff. Okay, before you fill the weld, you need to make sure you bevel it out, especially if you want to grind them flat. You need to bevel, 2/3 of the steel out. So you bevel each side 45. So we have a trench to put the weld into. So it's only about 3 mil, 4 mil, well 3 mil thick at the other end on the flat side. So the weld at the right temperature will go all the way through. And I'll see if I can do a video showing you that on the next one we do, because you can actually see it on the inside of the short piece we're adding on, where the penetration's gone all the way through. So you need that, and then of course enough material to fill that trench and make a bit of a slight bubble, okay, which gives you all the metal you need to hold it all together. So yep, that's what we're doing, and that's what I'm doing on those steels over there to show you that. Okay Frank, thanks. So what I've done here on this one, which I'm doing on that one while I've still got it on the long length, I go through and do the first side. So I've got all that beveled. You see about 50%. Okay. So cut out about 50% on a 45 degree. So just like I've done there, I've still got to do the other side of this. Now that I've cut that off, I've got to do that all the way around, because that's the piece we're adding in the middle. And this is our next piece for another one of the tops. So now I've got that cut, measured size. I can go around, bevel that, and get it ready for welding. And then once I've cut it off, then I can do like I'm going to do on this one, run around the other side, bevel it up. So then Frank can go through and fill that divot up with metal. Okay, this is what the weld is all about. Alright, so that's that bit. Thank you. Thanks for viewing, thanks for coming along and joining us here on this channel. Please keep coming, there's lots more to do. And please, we're trying to build a channel. Hit that subscribe button and the like button, and please make comment if there's something you want to know. Make comment down below, and I'll be more than happy to respond to those comments. Thank you. Talk to you again soon. Bye.